Is your small bathroom feeling outdated, cramped, or boring? What if you could transform it into a luxury modern space without a full renovation? In this video, we are exploring the top modern small bathroom design ideas for 2026. Watch until the end for one of the biggest luxury trends. Modern bathroom design is all about clean layouts, warm lighting, and luxury finishes. Even small bathrooms can feel elegant with the right ideas. So let's begin. Large marble-style tiles are extremely popular. They make small spaces look cleaner and more open, adding a luxury hotel-style atmosphere. Floating vanities create a clean, minimalist look and make the floor space feel larger. Wood finishes with LED lighting create a warm, premium vibe. Smart LED mirrors are a huge trend. They provide better lighting and modern smart touch features for added convenience. Matte black fixtures instantly make a bathroom look modern. Paired with smart storage like hidden cabinets, the space stays minimalist and functional. Frameless glass doors make small bathrooms feel bigger and brighter. Combined with warm lighting, they create a relaxing, spa-like atmosphere. Earthy tones like soft beige are trending. Accents of gold and natural elements like plants bring warmth and elegance to the space. These ideas can transform your bathroom into a stylish, relaxing space. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications.